Cooking has never been more convenient and efficient with the CUSIMAX Double Hot Plate. This versatile and portable countertop burner is designed to meet the diverse needs of home cooks, campers, students, and anyone who needs a reliable cooking solution in a compact form. In this detailed review, we'll explore its features, performance, and why it might be the perfect addition to your kitchen arsenal. Key features of the CUSIMAX Double Hot Plate. 1. Compatibility with all cookware types. The CUSIMAX Double Hot Plate stands out for its ability to work with any type of cookware. Whether you're using stainless steel pans, glass pots, aluminum pans, cast iron skillets, or ceramic pots, this hot plate can handle it all. The high-quality cast iron heating plates ensure even heat distribution, effectively reducing heat loss and enhancing cooking efficiency. With a maximum size of 7.4 inches and 6.1 inches for the two plates, it accommodates a variety of pot sizes, making it a versatile choice for different cooking needs. 2. Powerful dual burners. Equipped with two 1800w burners, the CUSIMAX Double Hot Plate offers a combined power of 1,800 watts. Each burner has adjustable temperature control with 7 thermostatically controlled heating settings, allowing you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously. From frying steaks and grilling cheese to boiling water and making soup, this hot plate can handle a wide range of cooking tasks. It's perfect for everyday use or as an additional cooking appliance in a busy kitchen. 3. Portable and compact design. One of the most appealing features of the CUSIMAX Double Hot Plate is its portability. It is compact enough to fit in small kitchens, offices, RVs, and caravans, or even for use during kitchen renovations. Its small footprint ensures it doesn't take up much space, yet it provides ample cooking surface for your needs. The portable design makes it an excellent choice for camping trips, small apartments, and other situations where space is at a premium. 4. Safety and easy maintenance. Safety is a crucial consideration when using any cooking appliance, and the CUSIMAX Double Hot Plate excels in this area. It features a durable stainless steel body designed to withstand frequent use. The hot plate is equipped with overheat protection and an automatic safety shutdown function. The temperature is regulated by a built-in thermostat to prevent overheating, while the non-slip feet ensure stability during cooking. Additionally, the hot plate is easy to clean. Simply wipe it with a clean cloth once it cools down. 5. Exceptional customer service. CUSIMAX offers a 30-day hassle-free return policy and free lifetime customer service. All their products have passed ETL certification, complying with safety standards. The company stands by its products and provides comprehensive support, ensuring any issues are resolved promptly. Before using the hot plate, it's advisable to refer to the instruction manual to familiarize yourself with its operation and safety features. The dual burners allow you to cook different types of food at the same time, which is particularly useful for preparing large meals or for keeping food warm while you finish other dishes. The ability to adjust the temperature on each burner independently provides precise control over your cooking, ensuring perfect results every time. Compared to traditional gas stoves, the CUSIMAX Double Hot Plate is more energy efficient. It heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, reducing the time and energy needed to cook your meals. This can be particularly beneficial for those looking to lower their energy consumption without sacrificing cooking performance. Its compact and portable nature makes the CUSIMAX Double Hot Plate ideal for small living spaces. Whether you're in a dorm room, studio apartment, or a tiny house, this hot plate can provide the cooking power you need without taking up valuable space. It's also great for outdoor activities like camping, where a reliable cooking appliance can make a big difference. The non-stick cast iron plates are not only efficient in heating, but also easy to clean. After cooking, let the hot plate cool down and wipe it with a damp cloth or a non-abrasive sponge. This simplicity in maintenance ensures that your hot plate remains in good condition for a long time, providing reliable performance whenever you need it. Final thoughts. The CUSIMAX Double Hot Plate is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, offering versatility, portability, and efficiency. Its compatibility with all types of cookware, powerful dual burners, compact design, and robust safety features make it an excellent choice for a wide range of cooking needs. Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or someone who loves camping, this hot plate can make your cooking experience more enjoyable and convenient. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. Drop a comment if you have any questions or if you've used this product. We'd love to hear from you.